how to take a picture on the camera with the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro or Pro Max. Now first let's go back to the home screen and open up the camera app. Next in here, to take a picture, you can select photo, or you can swipe across and choose a photo mode such as portrait, spatial, or panorama. Okay, so in this video we're going to use the photo mode. And to take a photo, simply point your camera at the subject and then tap on the shutter button to capture a picture. Now you can also zoom in, you can use the zoom feature. So here we've got 0.5, which is the ultra wide. And then you got the main camera, 1x up to 4x. Once you go up to 4x, it will change to telephoto lens. So at the back here we have 3 different lenses. The ultra wide, the main lens, and the telephoto lens over here. Alright, so if we zoom in, you can see here we can move in or we can go out and zoom in. And then we'll go into telephoto lens. Here you can turn on, tap on this button here, you can turn on macro control or turn off macro control. Because our subject is very close, so we want to turn on macro control. Here, then you can tap on the shutter button to take a shot. Now if you want to take a burst shot, you can swipe on the shutter button to the left hand side like this. This will allow you to take a burst shot. And here we can view all our pictures. And here we've got best. Okay, so it's not very clear because we're very close to the subject. And if you swipe this way, it will allow you to immediately start recording while in photo mode. Now at the top here are some controls which you can use, such as flash, aperture. You can set the depth of field. So that's basically allow you to blur it out on the background. Okay, so we can also turn on live or not. When you turn on live recording, it will allow you to record a small video clip when taking a picture. So here, when we are taking pictures, it also record a small video clip in here. So we can play the video. Now on the side button here, this is the camera button. It's also allow you to change the control by simply swiping or light press, depending on your settings. You can light press on the camera button here, or you can use the swipe action to open up the control center here. Here we can change the depth, camera settings, style, and tones, and depth of field or exposure by using this button here. And by pressing it hard, will allow you to capture the pictures. Here, if I press on this button here, there we go. So we can use this button to take a picture as well. And we can also change the styles by swiping up and down here. And that's it. So that's how you can take a picture. If you want to use the front camera, you can tap on this button, the switch button. This will allow you to switch to the front camera, like so. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.